calling all barbershops, youth programs, and men's groups. Let's spark real conversations. A Man's Journey isn't just a book, it's a movement. A step-by-step guide to helping young men think deeper, make better choices, and build a life rooted in purpose and responsibility. I'm looking to collaborate with spaces that uplift men, like barbershops, youth initiatives, community groups, and mentorship programs to host book readings, men's talks, and real conversations that shift the narrative. If you believe in empowering our youth and building better men, let's connect. I'd love to bring this experience to your space. DM me or email me at georgeevans@amansjourney.org. Join us to get involved. Let's make an impact. One story at a time.